Hey guys, I have a few updates regarding Trinity Poague's murder trial that is occurring in Georgia. As you know, she is the former pageant queen, pictured here on the right, who is accused of killing her ex-boyfriend's toddler, pictured here on the left. Trinity is charged with malice murder, 2 counts of felony murder, 2 counts of aggravated battery, and cruelty to children. This is in connection to the death of Romeo Jackson Drew Angeles. So it was said in court that Jackson's dad, or Trinity's ex-boyfriend named Julian Williams, took the stand recently and testified that his little boy had thrown up 2 times on the day he died, which was on January 14th of 2024 last year, nearly 2 years ago. He said the first time the little boy threw up was inside of Trinity's dorm room at Southwestern State University in Americus, Georgia. He said he then left to go get pizza when Trinity called his son, had stopped breathing. Then Jackson, the toddler, allegedly threw up on the way to the hospital, and that was according to the dad, Julian's testimony. Reportedly, prosecutors then called the Phoebe Sumter family physician named Michael Busman to the stand. He is reportedly a doctor with over 30 years of experience working in the emergency room, and he stated that the little boy was unresponsive with no pulse when he got there to the hospital. Once they detected a heartbeat, medical staff then noticed that his head was swelling, and that allegedly came from a direct blow to his head. Medical staff also reportedly found liquid coming out from the toddler's nose, and it was said he further had swelling to his entire face. Trinity allegedly tried to claim that the child fell from a bed, but Dr. Busman said and testified that the injuries he had were not consistent with him falling from a bed. It was said Trinity later admitted to shaking the little boy due to him allegedly misbehaving. According to medical records, Trinity claimed that the child had arrived to the hospital about 5 minutes after he fell from the bed. However, Dr. Busman stated on the stand that the injuries likely happened about 30 to 40 minutes before the child arrived to the hospital. Furthermore, during testimony, one prosecutor stated that Trinity wanted a child of her own with her boyfriend Julian. The prosecutor then reportedly showed the court multiple text messages that Trinity allegedly sent to friends where she stated that she wanted to punch the child and that the two of them hated each other. As I said yesterday, how can you hate a toddler? It was also said that one student at that same university that Trinity attended stated she heard the toddler crying for a really long time, and then all of a sudden he just stopped crying. But Trinity's attorneys reportedly claimed that the evidence did not indicate that she actually caused the injuries, and that the child's dad, Julian, had provided inconsistent stories throughout the case that allegedly contradicted each other. As you know, Trinity here has pleaded not guilty to all of her charges. For more updates into this case as the trial continues and the verdict will be read soon, make sure to follow and subscribe if you're on YouTube.